The proposed Lifelong Learning Development Framework Act seeks to institutionalize a culture of continuous learning, enabling every Filipino, regardless of age or circumstance, to acquire the skills and knowledge needed to thrive in a rapidly changing world. Mr. President, isa po sa mga matagumpay na mga syudad sa bansa ay kinikilala maging ng UNESCO sa mga lifelong learning activities nito, katulad ng binahagi natin kanina sa EDCOM 2, yung pong Balanga City. Yung Balanga City, Ginoong Pangulo, nakapagpatayo po sila ng Barangay Learning Hub sa lahat ng kanilang 21 barangays. Meron pa po silang Learning Barangay Week, Computer Literacy Training, School Learning Hubs, Education Summit, at marami pang iba. Katunayan, Ginoong Pangulo, naglaan po ang LGU ng 2,300 hectares para gawin itong isang university town. Gagawin po nilang area ito sa ilalim ng City Ordinance Number 18 at lakip po nito ang layunin na gawing isang smart university town, ang Balanga City sa taong 2030. Nandito po kasama natin si Congressman, dating City Mayor at ngayon Congressman Abet Garcia, Mr. President. The bill mandates the formulation of a master plan that shall develop the guidelines for the designation of learning cities and municipalities.